What's going on, guys? Jada Black here. Salute to everyone that's tuning in. I want to talk about Tiger Woods. Tiger Woods has been trending because of claims that his ex-girlfriend, his bitter ex-girlfriend, his failed gold digger ex-girlfriend, who is upset because she got dumped, and Tiger didn't give her a payout like she thought she was going to get. You know, he had her staying on some property that he owned, and she thought that she would be able to stay there longer, and that's not the case. She even claimed that stuff was withheld from her, even $40,000, which, come on, man, this chick probably doesn't have $5,000 to her name. Well, this heifer just got embarrassed in court, I believe today in Florida. And this is hilarious to me because even the judge sees right through this. As a matter of fact, I'm looking at this, this beautiful article that was written here. And it says, judge seems skeptical of Tiger Woods' ex-girlfriend's claims. Of course we are, because we know this heifer's lying. And she's trying everything that she can to get money out of Tiger, and it's not working. Tiger Woods is wiping the floor with her. She's wiping the floor with herself because she has these nonsensical claims towards Tiger Woods, which everybody who knows Tiger, who's been around him, they would know that that's not true. Did Tiger Woods get caught smashing a lot of chicks while he was married years ago? Yes. But this is why Tiger Woods now just dates. He ain't trying to wife nobody up. He's not trying to be in that situation again. He just dates. And when he doesn't want to be in a relationship anymore, he leaves that relationship. But this particular female here, this heifer here, this bum, because I got to call her a bum, man, because she refused to move on. Going after this man's money. This lets you know why she was with Tiger to begin with. She's trying to claim that, Tiger Woods was unethical and trying to date a woman who basically worked for him. I mean, that happens a lot. There are a lot of women who date men that they work for. They're not trying to sue those men when the relationship is over. She's trying to do it because she is a failed gold digger. She really thought she was on the come up. She really thought she was going to get that bag. She even thought that she might get marriage out of Tiger. Tiger's not marrying none of you heifers, especially not you. Okay. Once he saw the gleam in your eye, he said it's time to wrap this relationship up because this heifer's after my money. We all know Tiger's a very stingy guy. He's known to be very stingy with his money, and he parted with it once before. He ain't parting with it again. As far as all those women that tried to sue him and he was paying them off, paid off his ex-wife, he has no interest in giving none of these heifers none of his money anymore. And I think that, Tiger probably tried to see where it would go, but this is what happens when you're dating at the bottom of the barrel. He might as well have been dating another Perkins employee. I mean, this heifer really thought that she was going to have a come up off Tiger Woods, and Tiger Woods brought her back down to earth when he dumped her and sent her back to regular land, right? Because she probably was bragging. She probably was telling people she's going to get married. She's going to have all, this type of lifestyle. And that never happened. And it didn't happen because of the type of person that she is. This is the type of person who really believes that she's attractive enough. She's, at that stage where she can get a successful man. But maybe you just caught Tiger at a time where he wanted to explore dating somebody that was a little bit more regular. Maybe not somebody that's in the spotlight, not somebody that, that's dated tons of other celebrities. He tried to give this an opportunity. This is why this proves why he should have never dated her. Because again, I've seen where there are celebrity men that says, you know what? I'm going to date regular girls now. That's cool, but you have to vet them. See if she dates you without you having to spend a bunch of money on her or have her living at one of your properties. That's probably where he messed up because she's living at this nice place that he's paying for. Oh, she got used to that. And I think that Tiger probably saw that and said, okay, because she not even wife material. I guarantee you if she was wife material and she actually wanted to be with Tiger, Tiger would have tried to make that relationship work. But the reason why it did not work out is because Tiger saw her for what she really was. He saw her for what she really, and the judge in this situation saw her for what she really was, for who she truly is. Now, let's take a look at this article. I'm not going to go over everything in this article, but I want you to get the gist of her getting embarrassed in court today. It says a Florida judge appeared skeptical Tuesday to arguments made by an attorney for superstar golfer Tiger Woods' ex-girlfriend Erica Herman, who is trying to invalidate a non-disclosure agreement that would require the ongoing legal disputes between the two to be decided privately by an arbitrator. During a 45-minute hearing, Circuit Judge Elizabeth Metzger repeatedly questioned why the mandatory arbitration clause in the couple's disputed agreement wouldn't invalidate Herman's lawsuit against Tiger. She even appeared to agree with Woods' attorney J.B. Murray that even the question of whether Herman actually signed the August 2027 agreement or her signature is forged should, for now, be left to an arbitrator. Neither Herman nor Woods was present. Herman, who's 39, is suing both Woods, who's 47, and the trust that owns his $54 million Florida mansion, seeking $30 million from the latter and amid unspecified allegations of harassment. Forbes magazine estimate Woods' net worth to be $1.1 billion. And she thought he was going to be a lick because he paid off those heifers back in 2009. She thought that she just throw this lawsuit and throw all these allegations out here and he'd pay her off. You're going to need a lot more than that. Contract law tells me I look at the document and I ask, is it valid on its face? I've got dates, I've got signatures, I've got terms, Metzger said. Given that, she asked Herman's attorney Benjamin Hodis, what choice did she have but to invalidate the lawsuit and require that Herman take the case to arbitration if she wants to pursue it further. At least Hodis asked that Metzger conduct a future hearing to determine whether his client signed the document or it was forged. He acknowledged that Herman signed a non-disclosure agreement at some point, but said one presented by Woods' attorney may not be the true contract. Sure it's not. Sure it's not. We don't know, Hodis told Metzger. My client cannot say for certain that is her signature. Well, you can always get like a signature expert. Get a signature expert and see if it's fake. And she does not recall signing it. This is lie logic, right? This is how you know somebody lying. You don't recall. You're not certain. That lets you know that the heifer's lying. Murray called the dispute over the signature a bit of a red herring. One thing you did not hear Mr. Hodis say is that she did not sign it, Murray said. They are not bold enough. Of course they're not, because they don't want to lie in court. Metzger said she would issue her decision in writing, but did not say when. Herman is suing Woods to get out of the agreement, saying she was a victim of harassment. She also filed a separate illegal eviction lawsuit against the trust that owns the mansion. Herman, who managed Woods' Palm Beach County restaurant before and during the first years of their romantic relationship, argues that the non-disclosure agreement is unenforceable under a new federal law that says such contracts can be voided when abuse or harassment occurs. She alleged in court documents that Woods threatened to fire her if she didn't sign a non-disclosure agreement. Hodis agrees that is a type of harassment, treating one employee different than others because they have a relationship. But the harassment allegation was barely mentioned during Tuesday's hearing because it's not true. That's why. Metzger told Hodis she needed more information about what allegedly happened to consider it. He said that he couldn't provide more information publicly in fear that he would be violating the non-disclosure agreement if it is ultimately upheld. That's because he doesn't have any more information. This guy is getting destroyed in court. This is what happens when you have these ambulance chasing lawyers trying to use these dumb women to try to get paid. I bet she not even paying him. He think that he's going to get some money out of this. I doubt it. Whatever Tiger Woods' lawyer is doing is actually working because the judge is siding with him. Murray has called those accusations utterly meritless. In Herman's lawsuit against Woods, she wants Metzger to either void the non-disclosure agreement or at least give her the guidance about what she can say publicly. See, she wants to write a book. I believe she wants to write a book. She wants to go on an interview tour. She wants to make money off of Tiger Woods' name. That's why she wants to void the non-disclosure agreement. And also she wants to be able to pursue him for money with lawsuits. This is a calculating heifer, man. For example, she can discuss events that happened before their agreement or after their breakup last October. What about information she learned about Woods from others? She is also arguing that the contract covers only her work relationship with Woods, not her personal matters. I doubt that. In her unlawful eviction lawsuit against the trust, she is basing her $30 million claim on how much it would cost to rent a property like Woods' beachfront mansion north of Palm Beach for 6 years of residence. She was allegedly promised by the golfer and then declined. Before they dated, Woods hired Herman in 2014 to help develop and then operate the golfers, the Woods Sports Bar and Restaurant in nearby Jupiter, but they did not agree when their romantic relationship and cohabitation began. Yeah, this is what you call getting embarrassed in court. She's getting embarrassed in court. It ain't starting off right, and it seems like Woods' legal team is ready. It seems like they're very ready to take this on. This woman needs to go away. She's making an embarrassment of herself. And if you want to actually have a functional relationship with a man, you need to move on. But maybe she don't feel like she'll be able to get another opportunity to go after Tiger Woods' pockets. She's another one of these failed gold diggers. Like, she was that close. She was that close to achieving the opportunity to be able to get that bag from Tiger Woods, and she failed. So I think Tiger Woods realized that it would be an absolute mistake. And now she's in court making a fool of herself, thinking that she's going to get paid. I don't think you're going to get paid anything unless she has a way to prove either the accusations or to prove that she did not sign this non-disclosure agreement, which is going to be very difficult to do. That judge does not seem like they're going to side with this woman at all. They seem highly annoyed. They want to know why you are here and not trying to handle this elsewhere. It's because that's what these women do. They overplay their hand. She thinks she's smarter than she really is. But she's just another dumb heifer trying to get a bag off of a successful man. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Like this video and share it. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I'll see y'all next one.